Okay, so what I'm going to do is give you a demonstration of how to put on one of my new transfers. Very simple. Just cut to the shape that you want. Leave a bit around the edge of your picture or whatever it is, your text, whatever you're transferring. There we go. Decide where you're going to place. I think I might pop it in the corner. So take the layer off and place where you want it. I've just got a chucks with some water on it. Just going to dampen the whole area. Like that. Take a little peek. Hasn't transferred yet. Keep going. Give it a bit of a rub. And I've used milk paint, that's why that area has come off. But if you see here, oh, great, that's come off. And there's the transfer. Got a little bit of the paper on here, which I can just wipe off. All done. Now I'll do the same with the other side. I'll leave a bit more around the edge this time. Okay. There we go. There's bits that haven't adhered. You just pop it back down. There we go. Now just wipe that down and done. It's that simple. Rub on, wipe off, seal with water-based polyurethane or whatever your sealer of choice is, and they're done. Thank you.